Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Can you listen?
Waalaikumsalam. Boleh, boleh, boleh.
Okay. So we are going to determine member and moment. Okay, for BIM, for BIM. Number 2, okay, draw bending moment diagram. And shear force as well, shear force. And bending moment diagrams. And 3, calculate vertical reaction at all support. Okay, ni pin, roller. Three meter. EI, this is EI, this is EI, this is 2 EI. A, B, C, and D. Okay, support settlement at C. Support settlement at C, 5 mm. Okay. So for support settlement at C, C is settled. D remain at same position. A, B, C, and D. So this is 5 mm. Okay, determine member and moment. Start with calculate K, distribution factor, fixed and moment. We can combine. We can combine in one table. We can also do in separate table, and we combine. Lastly, we combine N2 and moment. Okay. Anyway, it will be depending on question given. Okay, so support settlement is given at point C 5 mm. So the settlement as shown dekat yang bawah tu. Okay, so settlement relate with delta. So dia mesti kena ada triangular. Okay, kena mark mana dia punya triangular so that we can identify the FEM. The FEM sign correctly. Okay, so move direct to ni AB, Excel BA, BC, CB, CD, DC KK, EI, DF, then FEM. There are two FEM, FEM1 due to external loading and FEM2 due to support settlement, and FEM is total. Okay, then distribution, carry over, distribution, carry over, distribution, carry over, distribution. 1, 2, 3, 4. Carry over, distribution. Okay, this is end moment. Okay, so for AB, we use 3 EI, 3 EI over 5. For AB, we use 3 EI over 5. For BC, we use 4 EI over 4. And for CD, we use 3 times 2 EI over L. Okay, so 3 EI over 5. 0.6, 0.6. Okay, for BC, 4 EI over 4. 4 EI over 4, it is 1. And 3 times 2, 3 times 2, CD we use 3 EI, 3 times 2 over 6, 1 also. Okay, for distribution factor, this is 1, this is also 1. Okay, so 0.6, it is 0.6 divided by 1.6. Okay, and the other one is 1 minus 0.375. And this one is 0.5 and 0.5. Okay, for fixed end moment, UDL, it is UDL on member AB 25 and 5. 25 and 5, it is negative 25 WL squared. WL squared, 5 squared, 25. WL squared over 12. Okay, and positive. And positive, 1 negative, 1 positive for loading, external loading. And we have CD, PL over 8, 106. 106 negative, P is 100, L is 6, PL over 8. 75 and positive 75. Okay, so due to external loading, 1 negative, 1 positive, opposite. Okay, FEM for support settlement. Okay, for support settlement, okay, BC and CD, for BC and CD, look at the angle, okay, because FEM opposite with angle. So if angle is positive, FEM is negative. Angle is negative, FEM is positive. Angle is positive. BC, angle is positive. FEM is negative. So BC, FEM is negative. FEM for BC is negative. BC, FEM is negative. It is 6 EI 6 EI delta is 0.005 over L squared. L is 4 squared, 16. Okay, and same value. Okay, both are negative for support settlement. And for CD, angle is negative. Angle is negative. FEM is positive. FEM is positive. Okay. It is 6 times 2 times 2, 6 times 2. E is 200. Assume, if not given, assume 500, 6 EI, 6 times 2, EI, delta is 0.005. L is 6, right? 36. Is it 6? 6, right? 6. Okay, so this also same. Okay, so for FEM, we total all this. Total the FEM. Okay, so we will use this. Okay, for the FEM, combination of external loading and support settlement. Okay. So for distribution, so this is distribution factor. Distribution factor. Okay. So distribution. So this 52. Okay. Change sign means negative. Okay. Negative. We times with 1. Time with the factor. The factor is 1. So 1 negative, 1 positive. Okay. We get distribution. Okay. First distribution for AB is positive. So that when we total these two, it becomes 0. Okay. That is for joint A. Now move to joint B. For joint B, we have 52 and negative 187. That is moment at joint B. So you put negative. Okay. It is 52. 52. Okay. We have to plus with negative 187. Okay. Negative for opposite condition. Times with factor 0.375. 0.375. Okay, we get this 50 and it is positive. Okay, so the other one also same. Negative for joint moment. Total B, BA, BC, this 52 and okay, 187 tadi tu. Okay, and then times with factor 0.625. Okay. After that is joint C. Joint C. Joint C, we have negative 187 and positive 91. So negative for opposite. Negative 187 plus 91. 91 times 0.5. Okay, we get here positive value. And the other one is CB and CD times with factor 0.5. Okay, and for DC at joint D, it is 241. 241 times with 1. So we get negative. So that 241 and negative 241, we get 0. Okay, for carryover, remember, we have to cross boundary, and A and D, the factor is 0. The factor is 0. So this is 0 and this is also 0. Okay. Okay, now we carry the value. Cross boundary, yeah. Cross boundary. Okay. So this is carry over. For the first carry over, this is the answer. Okay. And actually, 0 ni just kosongkan je. Do not need to write 0 in the table. Okay, kecuali 0 DF lah. Okay, 0 moment tak payah tulis in the table. Tak payah penuhkan table dengan all the value. Okay, 0 tak payah tulis. Okay, distribution. Next distribution. Next distribution. B. B, we have BA and BC. Again, repeat the same. Joint moment, negative. Okay, total BA, BC. BA, BC times with factor. Okay, then we get negative 27.7. Again, negative for joint moment, total this, okay, times with distribution factor. Okay, for joint C, negative, joint C 42 and negative 120. Negative 120 times with factor 0.5. Okay, it is positive. Negative, joint moment 42 and times with 0.5. Okay, times with 0.5. This is distribution. Distribution. Okay, now we carry over. Okay, carry over negative 27 because when we carry over the factor is 0, so this is 0. This is also 0. Okay, so we just carry over the middle value. Okay. So every time you do, you just mark the boundary. So buat line lah dekat boundary between A and B, between B and C, between C and D. So that you can see clearly which is the boundary. Because when we carry over, we have to cross boundary. Okay. So 0 ni tak payahlah. Okay, letak supaya you tak confuse je tadi. Okay, so next is distribution. Next is distribution. Okay, it is negative, negative total 0 and 19. Okay, times with factor 0.375. So we get negative because atas tu positive, right? So yang bawah ni negative. Okay, now we get only from one position from BC. Okay, negative, negative, joint moment kali dengan factor DF. Okay, so total ni, okay, 3 ni 0. Okay, next, negative. Okay, this one joint moment times with factor 0.5. Okay, negative. This is joint moment times with factor 0.5. Okay, then carry over. Carry over 12 because carry over. Okay, and 11.5 we carry over. Okay, look like 5 is not necessary, is not enough Ni masih lagi 5 besar lagi Okay, just continue lah. Okay, just continue. Okay, this time distribute again. Distribution. Okay, negative. This times factor 0.375. Okay, negative. This
Madam,
times. Ya?
dekat carry over yang row nombor 7 tu ada mistake, madam.
Row number 7
Ya,
Okay, yang mana?
47.917 tu.
Okay, 40. Yang ni. Distribution or carry over? Oh, ni tak bahagi 2
Ya, madam.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so distribution, negative. Okay, joint moment, times with factor. Okay, this joint moment, times with factor. Okay, then carry over. Yang ni from 3.067 tu divide by 2. And then yang ni from 2, negative 2 ni. Okay, distribution. Tapi untuk test esok memang 5 kali tu dah dapat 0. Don't worry. Okay, yang ni belum dapat 0 kan. So buat guna Excel, so boleh continue lah. Okay, distribution. Okay, join B, negative. Okay, this one is join moment times Swiss factor. Okay, negative this times Swiss factor. Okay. Okay, yang ni negative join moment times Swiss factor 0.5. Okay, negative. This is join moment times Swiss factor 0.5. Okay lah kalau nak stop. Kalau nak extend lagi pun boleh another cycle. Okay, another cycle. Carry over and distribution. Okay. And then distribution. This one times with 0.375. Okay, negative. Okay, this is joint moment times 0.67625. Then this one. Okay, this is joint moment times 0.5. And this is, okay, this is the joint moment times 0.5. Okay. So total moment, kira start from FEM Start from FEM and moment. Okay. Yang ni 0. So dah siap So ini dah siap the table. Considering support settlement. Okay. Okay, now we want to draw shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. Shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. Bending moment diagram, of course, we can draw directly. Okay, because we use the moment in the table is internal moment. Okay, but we will start with shear force diagram first lah. We have to analyze member by member, even though tak apa ni, letak dulu the moment direction. Okay, this is clockwise, this is counterclockwise, this is counterclockwise, this is clockwise. Okay, that's all. Okay, so when we want to analyze shear force diagram for member AB, so we have to understand that in AB, so dekat AB tu, so we have to consider member AB. Consider member AB to draw member AB. Member AB has UDL 25 and 5, and then it has AY, and this is BY1. Moment is 100.641. So this is for A and B. Okay, and then we have to consider member BC. Consider member BC. So we draw member BC. Okay, member BC. For the shear forces, it has BY2, CY1. Okay, and the moment is negative, and negative. It is 100.641 and 69737. 69737. Okay, this is the diagram for member BC. Okay, so we have to put the moment from the table, and then we have to put the label for shear forces BY2 and CY1. So this is B and C. Okay, we consider member CD. So member CD has point load, and the point load is 100, 33. So this is 100, 3 meter. Moment we have, it is positive 69. So here is, okay, shear forces dulu. So this is CY2, this is DY, and positive, right? 69737. Okay, so this is C and D. So using static equilibrium, we have to determine AY, BY, BY2, CY1, CY2, and DY. Okay, so let's say yang ni taking moment at A is equal to 0, then we will get BY1. Okay, BY1. So it is 35 times 5 times 2.5 plus 100.641. We divide by 5. What is the answer? For BY1? 25 times 5 times 2.5 plus 100.641. We divide by 5. So we get BY1. What is BY1? Please calculate BY1.
82.628.
82. Point
6 to 8.
6 to 8 kilonewton. So what is AY? AY is 25 times 5 minus 82.628 because we use total FY. This is what we call static equilibrium. So AY, we get 25 times 5, we minus by 82.628. Dapat apa AY ni?
$42.372.
42.372. Okay? So settle member AB. Now consider member BC. Member BC. So same process taking moment at B is equal to 0. Okay, the distance is 4 meter? 4 meter, right? This is 4 meter. Okay, 4 meter. So what is CY? CY1. CY1. Negative 100.641 minus 69.737. We divide by 4. The answer is negative. What is the answer? What is the answer?
Negative 2.26.
Dapat?
Tu 100.641 kan?
Yang mana? 100.641. Tengok dalam table. 100.641. Betul? 100.641 negatif. Negatif. Sini ya. Yang ni BC. Sini CB. Negatif kan? Dua-dua negatif.
Negatif 42.5.
Saya dapat 42 ya, 42.595.
42. 595. Negatif kan? CY1? CY1 negatif?
Negatif.
Negatif. So CY2? BY2?
Positif.
Positif. Okay. Okay, now consider member CD. Taking moment at C. Okay, 69.737 positive. Plus 100 times 3. We divide by 6. What is dy?
51.6223.
51 point?
61.
622 or
6.
betul ni?
61. 61.622. 623. Sorry.
51 51 ke 61?
61.
61 point? Point berapa?
6 to 3.
6 to 3. 61, 6 to 3 eh. Okay, so CY tu 100 minus 61, 6 to 3. What is the answer?
$38.377.
Okay. Shear force diagram. Shear force diagram. Okay. AY dia positif. BY also positif kan? Okay, dia macam ni. Saya buat macam ni Okay, saya lukis dulu diagram dia kat atas ni. So, this is the diagram. Okay, this is 25 and 5. Now, kita dah dapat yang ni. AY is 42372 and BY1 is 82.628. So, when we draw shear force diagram, we will focus on the shear forces. Okay, for the shear forces, dia sama macam moment. Moment kita tengok pada moment direction. Shear force, we have to look at the shear force. Shear force kita kat sini is 42 dengan 82 ni. Okay, so start from 0. So this is the point. The first point. Okay, look at arrow naik atas. So the point dia kat atas. Because arrow dia macam tu. Okay, so start from 0. Kalau arrow dia ke bawah, so titik dia di bawah. Now arrow dia ke atas. So daripada 0 tu, arrow dia naik atas. So that's why point dia kat atas. Okay. Lepas tu, so point ni is equivalent to 42 lah. 42.375. This is 42.372. Okay, then we have to minus 25 times 5. Okay, it is 42.375 minus 25.5. We get negative 82. We get next point. Next point is negative 82. This is 82.628. Okay. This is negative side. Okay. So yang atas ni positif lah, positif. Yang bawah ni negatif. Okay, so bila yang bawah negatif, so dekat sini I don't put negatif lah because dia dah memang duduk dekat area negatif. Okay, so look at the arrow. Arrow dia naik atas. So dia naik atas balik untuk balik ke end position. This is end point. So that's why, okay, yang ni, and yang ni. Okay, we have to join the dot to dapat ni. And now it has intersection. It has intersection. So this intersection, we have to determine the distance. This distance we get from 42.372 divided by 25. Cuba 42.372 divided by 25. What do you get?
Satu
42.3.
point 69.
Okay, this is 1.69. Okay, cuba you check 82.628 divided by 25. What do you get?
Three point 3.31.
3.31. Total? Cuba totalkan.
Five.
5. So dapat 5 ni ya. Okay. So for bending moment diagram for member AB. Okay, saya nak lukis bawah shear force ya. Because kat sini dia punya intersection. Intersection dia ni dekat sini. Bending moment. Okay, dia punya line. Okay, for bending moment. Okay, dia kat sini 100.641. Actually kita tahu dah dia punya point dia should be kat bawah ni lah. Somewhere here. 100 tu. Okay. Anyway, tak apa. Kita start from 0 because moment kat sini 0. Okay, moment dekat point A is 0. So 0 plus area. Dia plus sebab yang ni ya. Sebab yang ni positif. Start from 0. Start from 0 means 0 plus area of triangular. Berapa area dia? 42.372 times 1.69 times 0.5.
35.8.
45.8 points ini.
35.
45.8 ya.
35.
Okay. Betul eh?
35.
35. 35.8. Okay. So you jangan kosongkan balik calculator tu. You just continue. Just continue. Okay, tadi 0. 0 plus dengan area of the first triangular. Dapat 35.8. So tak perlu kosongkan calculator. Just continue. Okay. Means that start from 35 now. Now it is 35.8 positive. And then yang ni negatif. Sebab dia duduk dekat negatif. So 35.8 minus. Okay, 35.8 minus the area. 3.31, 82.628 and 0.5. What do you get? What do you get? 35.8 minus area. We minus the area 3.31 times 82.628 times 0.5. What do you get?
$136.75.
136.75.
Negative 100.
It is negative 100.
0.65.
You akan dapat nilai ni. Okay, dia akan dapat nilai tu tapi dia negatif. Betul tak dapat 100.641?
Betul, negatif.
You akan dapat negative 10641. And this is not the last point. Last point is 0. Last point is 0. Dari mana datang 0 ni? Sebab this value, this value, this value. Okay, plus ni positif kan? Arrow positif, right? Arrow positif kan? 100.461 kan? So tambah dua-dua value ni. So you dapat 0. So this is the end point, the end. Okay, so curve, because dia UDL curve, so you dapat okay, so this is positive. Okay, this is negative. Okay, this is BMD for AB. BMD for AB. Okay, this is BMD for AB. Okay, this is for A and B. Okay, so next. Okay, we want to draw shear force diagram and bending moment diagram for member BC. Okay, so member BC. Okay, member BC, CY1, okay, yang ni 42. This one is 42.595. This another one, CY is negative 42.595. Okay, so ni yang ni B, yang ni C. Okay. Lupa sini nak top tadi kan, 100 ni. Okay, so sini ada moment, dua-dua negatif. This is 10641. Okay, 10641 dengan 69737. Okay, so for shear force, okay, shear force is zero line. Start from 0. Tengok arrow tu ke mana? Arrow tu tunjuk atas, naik atas. So point dia kat atas. Okay, so point dia kat atas. And then next point, they go straight sampai next point. Because tak ada UDL, tak ada point load. Okay, so they just go straight je lah sampai dia jumpa point C. And dekat point C, arrow tu ke bawah. This is the end point. So we get okay, remember ni kita punya zero line. Ni zero line. Start from 0, end at 0. Okay, okay, this one negative or positive? Negatif ke positif? Mana line 0? Okay, dia di atas line 0 eh. Dia dekat atas line 0. So this is positive. Okay. So for shear force, this is shear force for bending moment. Okay, this is like bending moment punya line. Okay, start dengan moment dia 100 negatif. Moment dia dekat sini. Moment dia tunjuk ke bawah kan? Moment ni kan tunjuk ke bawah kan? So point dia kat bawah. Okay, it is 10641. Okay, now negative negative 10641 plus the area of rectangular. Kan yang ni dia distance dia 4 meter and it is 42.595. Okay. So nak check whether the calculation we made is right or wrong. Okay. Actually kita akan dapat balik the moment 69.737 tu when we plus the area. Cuba check. Okay. Does negative 100.641 plus with 42.595 times 4, you dapat tak 69.737?
Dapat.
Okay. So point dia kat atas sebab dia dah tunjuk atas kan, arrow tunjuk ke atas kan. So this arrow, nampak ni, arrow dia tunjuk ke atas, so point dia kat atas. So we do this just for confirmation. Okay. So point dia start with this point, this is the first point, 0. And then this is 100.641 negative. Okay, and then this is the next point and last point is 0. So bending moment diagram, this and this, okay, join. Okay, so yang ni kan negatif. So yang ni negatif lah. So atas ni positif. So dia negatif sebab yang ni tadi negatif. So negatif.
Doktor,
Okay. Ya?
nak tahu shear tu dalam negatif dia bergantung pada BY
Shear yang mana? Yang petak tu?
Kalau ada negatif maksud dia bergantung pada BY
Dalam nak tahu yang ni ke? Yang dalam ni ke?
Yo.
Okey, paling senang kan? Paling senang kan? Kita tengok arrow tu satu macam ni. Satu macam ni. Okey. Agak-agak dia rotate. Kalau arrow dia macam ni, dia rotate clockwise. Kalau ada satu member kat sini kan. Dia tolak beam ni rotate clockwise or counterclockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. Dia positif lah. Okay. Sebab sometimes you dapat macam ni bila you draw. Bila the shear forces macam ni. Kalau macam ni, beam macam ni. Agak-agak yang ni positif negatif. Yang atas. Negatif. Okay. So yang kita punya ni positif. Sebab arrow dia tu macam push member member BC ni to rotate clockwise. And satu lagi itu yang number 1. Itu identification 1. Identification 2 melalui line 0. Line 0 kita kan start from 0 tadi sini kan. Okay. Line 0 kita kan kat sini tadi. End dia dekat sini. So line 0 tu yang bawah ni lah. Okay. So dia positif. Mana-mana cara pun boleh. Okay. So yang BMD tu, we actually can draw directly BMD from the table. Because from the arrow yang atas dua ni, kan, these two arrow ni, dia dah tunjuk kat mana position. Satu di bawah ni, satu di atas ni. Yang ni kita buat just for confirmation lah. Okay. Kalau tak ada shear diagram pun still we should get the bending moment diagram. Ni lagi confirm lah. Okay. So we get like this for bending moment diagram. Okay. Ni shear force diagram. Ni bending moment diagram. Okay. Okay, then yang ni Okay, yang ni Okay, saya sambung bawah ni, nanti saya susun balik Okay, so now member CD CD. Member CD. Ada point load 200, 3 meter, 3 meter. Okay, reaction we get CY2 200 ke 100? 100. Okay, CY2 38.377 and 61.623. Oh, ada moment. Moment dekat C. 69737 positif. 69737. Okay, for shear force diagram. Okay, first point. Start 0. Okay, start 0. Tengok arrow tu ke mana? Ke atas. So point dia ke atas. Okay. Then go straight sampai jumpa 100. So bila jumpa 100, dia kena turun sebanyak 100. Turun 100. Bila turun 100, you memang akan dapat negative 61. Okay, negative 61. So go straight sampai this point. So this point is negative 61. Plus dengan yang ni, so dia akan go back to 0. Dan arrow dia nampak tak ni? Arrow dia yang ni and yang ni. Shear force. Okay. So ni dia punya N. So ni dia punya positif. Okay, ni negatif. Okay, this is shear force diagram. Okay. So continue. Bending moment diagram. Okay, moment is, okay, arrow tu tunjuk ke atas, 69 dekat atas. So this is 69. 69737. First kat 0. First dekat 0. Ini dia punya line. Okay, last point is 0 because dia roller. Okay, now 69737 plus the area. Area ni 38377 and 3 meter. Yang ni 61623 3 meter. Okay, please calculate 69737 plus the area. What do you get? 69737 plus the area, 38.377 times 3.
184.868.
1?
184.
184. 184.868.
868.
Okay, continue. Tak payah kosongkan your calculator, just continue. 184.868 minus sebab ni. Minus sebab ni minus negatif. Minus sebab negatif. Minus 3 times 61623. What do you get?
0.
0. Okay, this is point load. This is point load. So you just need to sambung straight line Line 0 kat sini. Sini line 0. So ni positif. Okay, so this is BMD. Okay. Lepas tu you nak gabung ke, you tak gabung ke, you nak gabung jadi one line pun okay, you nak gabung. Ini semua knowledge ya. Yang tak mesti pakai sekarang, you maybe akan pakai this knowledge juga masa design or masa you dah jadi engineer nanti. Okay. So kalau BMD, so dia jadi macam ni lah. And then dia jadi macam ni. Okay. And then ini dia akan sambung je lah. Tapi buat tak apa. Tapi when you analyse for one continuous beam yang mana you nak tengok in whole, so dia gabung jadi macam ni lah, macam you jumpa dalam buku. Okay. Okay, yang tu answer question number 2, draw shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. Okay, normally bila kita buat member by member lagi nampak clear lah. Okay, member by member. No need to combine. Okay, dia tak sebut pun kena combine or dia tak sebut pun kena separate. So, kita buat one by one members. Okay, calculate vertical reaction at all support. What does it mean? Vertical reaction at all support. Okay, vertical reaction is dekat pin ada AY, AX 0 dah tahu dah. Ada BY, ada CY, ada DY. AY, BY, CY, DY. So vertical reaction at all support, calculation dia dah buat tadi. When we analyse member by member, dah ada tadi. Okay, cuma kena tulis lah. Okay, vertical reaction. Okay, AY, BY is BY1 plus BY2. BY1 plus BY2. BY2. CY, CY1 plus CY2. DY. Okay, so AY tadi dekat sini AY. 42372. 42372 kilo Newton. BY1. BY1 82628. And BY2 42595. Okay, CY1 negative 42 595. CY2 38377. Okay, DY. DY 61623. 61623. Okay, please calculate for me BY and CY. Ini tak payah kira, nanti kita buat lepas ni. Lepas siap vertical reaction.
125.223.
223 223. Okay, another one. CY.
Negatif 4.218.
218. Okay. Kilonewton. Okay. If you want check for equilibrium, yang ni just for checking ya, just for checking, just okay, kalau kita nak put all the reaction that we get in one beam. So UDL here, point load dekat sini. Okay, AY 42372, BY is 125223. CY is negative 4218. DY is 616223. This is 100. This is 25, 5, 4, 3, 3. Yang ni continuous beam yang dah complete with all reaction. Moment tak ada. Moment sini pin, sini roller kan. Okay. This is all. This is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer where you can check whether it is correct or not. Cuba you check total FY. Balance tak yang atas dengan yang bawah tu? For total FY, do you get 0? Do you get 0? Do you get 0? 25.5 ke bawah. 100 bawah. 4.218. Sama tak? Balance tak dengan 42372, 125223 dengan 61623. Balance tak dua ni? Balance means you dapat kosong kan? Dapat kosong. Okay, yang ni yang kita dah gabung lah. Ini yang kita dah gabung. Tadi yang buat separate. Okay, yang ni dah gabung. Yang gabung ni pun boleh draw diagram juga. Okay, draw diagram versi gabung. Okay, draw diagram versi gabung. Macam mana? Okay, saya buat dia punya boundary. Okay, ni line for shear force. Okay, so start dengan 0. Okay ni. Start 0, 0 naik 42.372. This is 42.372. Okay, turun bawah. Okay, nilai tadi tu. Okay, then you akan naik atas balik. Okay, naik atas 1. Okay, cuba kira jap. Kira jap. Tekan your calculator. Okay, start dengan 42372. 42372. Start dengan yang ni. Minus 25.5. Dia buat apa kat sini?
Negatif 82.628.
Nilai tadi kan? Okey, tambah 125.223 tu.
$42.595.
Okey, straight sampai sini, turun. Okey, minus 4.218.
38.377.
38.377. 737.
377.
377. Okey. Lepas tu, straight lagi. Turun 100. Dapat apa? Turun 100.
Negatif 61.623.
Okay, straight, naik balik. Okay, ni shear force diagram. Okay, shear force diagram. Intersection ni yang tadi tu lah, yang separate, kita buat separate tu. So, dia ada line kat sini. So, BMD start dengan 0. Tambah, tolak, sini tambah, sini tolak, sini tambah, sini tambah, sini tolak. So, last you akan dapat 0 balik. Okay? Kalau tak dapat 0, salah. Dapat 0, betul lah. Okay, so you akan dapat balik yang ni, BMD ni, gabungan BMD yang tadi ni. Gabungan semua ni. Okay? Okay, nak cuba check before we end session tonight? Tadi yang ni 30, ni 60, ni 60, 61.623. Jarak ni tadi 1.69. This is 4, this is 3, this is 3. So for BMD, kita start dengan 0. Point ni sama dengan point tadi itulah. Yang tadi kita dah dapat 35.8. Betul tak? 35.8 tu. Minus dengan area tu dapat. Kita start dengan 0. Dapat 35.8. Minus area tu 3.31 and 82.628.
Negative 100, madam. Negative 100.
Ya, 10641 tu kan?
Ya.
Okay, point kat sini lah. Let's say sini ya. Sini 100. Sini positif kan? Sini negatif. 641. Okay, then plus dengan 42.595 kali dengan 4.
$69, 737.
69. 69. Sama dalam table kan? 697. 73. 737. 774 lah. 74 ya. 737, 739, 774. Okay, plus. Sebab next is plus lagi kan? Plus lagi. So you have to plus 69.74 plus 38,377 times 3.
Plus 184.868.
Sekejap. 184.168. Betul? 168. Patutnya jauh sikit. Is it 184, 168? Yang you sebut tadi?
One 184.868.
868. Okay, now minus last punya tu. 3 times 61623.
Equal to 0, madam.
Equal to 0. Equal to 0. So, cuma tak cantik sebab dia, sebab patutnya ni line ni di bawah sikit kan. Saya ubah line lah. Saya ubah line ni. Ni sekejap. Okay. So, kat sini. 35.8. And then 6974. 6974. And then that's why kalau you draw guna graph paper, you akan dapat accurate one lah. Yang ni anggaran je kan. 868. Okay. So A to B curve because UDL. Yang ni ke sini curve. Okay. And then B dengan C straight. And then C and D sambung titik ni. And going back to 0. Okay. So this is BMD. Combined version. Okay. This is combined version. Yang ni yang separate version. Okay. Yang ni yang separate version. Yang ni yang combined version. So combined version ni not only for moment distribution method, flexibility method, stiffness method also the same. Okay, dan once you dah dapat all the reaction at the support, kita boleh draw shear force diagram and bending moment diagram using yang method yang last ni. Okay, tapi yang one by one ni, yang ni kita buat for MDM, because from the table we get the moment, the internal moment directly. So internal moment tu dah boleh terus draw BMD. Okay. So ni yang separate, ini yang combine. Okay. So ada soalan before we end session? No question.
Madam,
Ya.
dalam test kalau kita tak combine tolak markah ke?
Tak, ini saya tunjuk dua senario. Tak perlu buat pun dua-dua. Because yang MDM, ni kita memang kena buat separate calculation. Okay, yang ni saya tunjuk yang version kedua, combined version. Okay, kalau ditanya boleh buat either one. Kalau tak ditanya, you akan jumpa masa exam. That's all. Okay?
Okay, madam.
Okay. Ada lagi soalan? No more eh?
Kami dah
Tak
sedia
ada?
untuk exam, madam.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Doktor,
Ya?
recording ni boleh accept besok
You nak sekarang ke? Okay, sekarang saya bagi. Sekejap lagi. Give me 5
Okay.
minutes. Okay.
Okay.